this is just BENZ money in here, man. This is BENZ money. I'll click on this withdraw. I'll just put 51 here. Yeah, I'll just put 51 here, and then I'll click on withdraw. You withdraw in round figures. So 1 ULX processing fee, so I'll be getting 50 WULX. Click on OK, and this final check. Then I click on withdraw funds. So I'll get my two-factor authentication code. So you turn on two-factor authentication code to avoid see finish on the bad guys. So get email verification code too. So I paste my email authentication code and click on submit. So now that we've withdrawn, you'll see I now have what? 51 wrapped ULX. Yes, this is the money we sent. So what I'm just going to do now is to swipe it from wrapped ULX to full ULX. So I click on max and then I swap. So ask for confirmation and then confirm. You can see transaction has been completed, so I click on good. So what I'm going to do now is to come back to my wallet, and you can see that I now have what? 150 ULX.
1 month ago, exactly on the 4th of August 2022, I made a video about ULTRON, or the ULX coin, where I showed my viewers an account which I invested 300 USDT and another new account where I invested just 100 USDT live. And the 100 USDT got me 6,000 ULX as at that 4th August 2022. Right now, a $100 USDT can only get you 900 ULX instead of 6,000 ULX. And funny enough, you can no longer invest $100. The $100 plan is now scrapped. You can only invest from $300 and above. That does not mean that it's late for you to invest in ULTRON. I'm just trying to tell you that ULTRON is getting better and bigger. Instead of you waiting or spend your money anyhow, why don't you be the early bird and catch the worm? So in this video today, I'm going to show you a live withdrawal from my ULTRON account. ULTRON is not like a Ponzi scheme. It's a new coin that I talked about, which is gaining dominance in the crypto world. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Waterfred1, and without talking much in this video, I would like you to join me so you understand exactly how I do this.
So you can now see today is ending 00, this week 00. Now just come to these three tabs right here at the top and then click on my hubs. I'll be doing a live withdrawal today. You can see that I have 6,000 ULX. You can see total stakes so far 6,038, available for Win Wallet, for withdrawal and everything. Now I don't really want to go into long talks on this. I earlier made a video about ULTRON about a month ago, and that was when I just invested just $100. Yes, 100 USDT on 4th of August, and that 100 USDT was able to get me 6,000 ULX. And with that 6,000 ULX, I've already made, you can see 574 ULX. Yes, and I was using auto stake, yes, which as I was making it was compounding, and I was equally using what I made so far to make more money until I turned off my auto stake. Yes, when I turned off my auto stake, I was now able to withdraw every, you see, I turned it off, and now I'm not able to withdraw daily anytime I want. You know what I mean? Imagine very soon that this ULTRON becomes 1 ULX becomes 1 USDT. Man, this is mad money. This is 6,000 USDT that is going to pop up for me, man. This is just like, this is crazy. This is just BENZ money in here, man. This is BENZ money. If you are new on this platform, what you're just going to do is sign up via the link in my video description. This is not like a Ponzi. This is a coin that is developing. You can read up about ULTRON MAVIE. If you want to watch my previous video, I will leave it in the video description. That's where I did all the theories and everything you need to know. Today is what practical, today is action. So if you want to invest, just you click on staking hubs. You see, when I got this on the 4th of August, I was able to purchase or invest 100 with 100 USDT. Now 100 USDT option is no longer available. You must invest with either 300 USDT and above. Do you get it? 300 USDT and above. Let me take you to my orders. If you go to orders, you can see when I paid it. I paid on what, 4th of August. Yeah, paid. Yeah, this was when I paid and got my 6,000 ULX. If you come to my hubs, just like I said before, I've actually withdrawn from here. I've actually withdrawn from here. Let me just show you real quick. When you want to withdraw, you download Metaverse. Yeah, I'll just leave a link, a WhatsApp link in the video description, so you can join there and get all the updates on how to set all this up. There is no point making this video so long. Yes, there's no point making this video so long. You can see here that, let me turn off. Okay, it's okay. You can see I have 99 ULX here. I actually withdrew 100 ULX. Yes, you can see it, 100 ULX. Yes, you can see it. I withdrew 17 September 100 ULX. Yeah, and it's from that place. And today, guys, I'm going to still, let me take a screenshot. Let's see how much we have here already, because I'm still going to withdraw the 50 something ULX I have in here. I'm going to withdraw it. When you want to withdraw here, what you just have to do is just come to this method and generate. Click on receive, so you can generate a ULX address. Just click on receive, then copy it, come back to here, and then you click on withdraw. Yes, you can see this is my address. I already added it, but in case if you don't want, if you want to add a new one, you just click on add and then add new address. Please be careful. This is not BEP20 USDT address. This is ULX address. You can see where it's written. You can see where it's written right here at the top. WULX withdrawal. Don't send to a wrong address, please. If you send to a wrong address, your coin is gone and nobody can help you recover it. I'll click on this withdraw. This is it. 258. This is the one I'm using. So I'll just put 51 here. Yeah, I'll just put 51 here, and then I'll click on withdraw. You withdraw in round figures. So 1 ULX processing fee, so I'll be getting 50 WULX. Click on OK, and this final check. Then I click on withdraw funds. So I'll get my two-factor authentication code. So you turn on to two-factor authentication code to avoid see finish from the bad guys. So get email verification code too. So I paste my email authentication code and click on submit. So now that we've withdrawn, let me refresh real quick. Refresh. You will see that the ULS I had is gone. You see it's out now. You see I still have the 99 ULS I had earlier. So what I'm just going to do now is, the ULS came in as a wrapped ULX here. So I just come here to the right hand corner, click on browser. Once I click on browser, I click on these straight up arrows and then click on ULX, the first one. You'll see I now have what? 51 wrapped ULX. Yes, this is the money we sent. So what I'm just going to do now is to swipe it from wrapped ULX to full ULX. So I click on max and then I swap. So ask for confirmation and then confirm. You can see transaction has been completed, so I click on good. So what I'm going to do now is to come back to my wallet, and you can see that I now have what? 150 ULX. Okay, this is just incredible. It is just incredible. This is just an opportunity for you to invest and make your money. Now in the next video I'm going to be doing, I don't want to make this video so long. In the next video I'm going to teach you how to swap this ULX to USDT and sell it on Binance. You can be withdrawing your profit daily if you want, or you can turn on auto staking and then leave it for 6 months or 1 year. Just come down here and then click on this my hub. Okay,
if you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you don't enjoy this one, smash this like twice and tell me why in the comment section. And make sure you share my video on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so that people will gain value from the videos that I share online. I would love to also state that what I do in my videos are my personal research and what I do to personally generate income legitimately for myself. I will recommend you do your own personal research because I am not your financial advisor. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. And stay with me on this one. Let me show you exactly, in this whole ULTRON withdrawal and make